everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can add multicolored berry knots to your macrame projects. Let's get started. To begin, I've just attached 2 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and I went ahead and started part of my project just to speed up the example a little bit for the video. Now to begin making a colored berry knot, I'm going to bring in another rope. This piece is measured about 10 to 12 inches long. And I'm going to swing it right behind the 2 ropes in the middle so that a string comes out to the right and to the left. Now I'm going to tie 3 square knots with these blue ropes in a row. To make a square knot, I'm going to take the side on the right and cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to take that left string and it's going to go over the right, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. As I pull this tight, I want to leave a little bit of a gap up top between my last little square knot. Then to finish my square knot, I'm going to take the left side to cross over the 2 in the middle to form my loop. The right's going to go over that left string, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I get to pull that tight. And now I just repeat this 2 more times. Now to finish the berry knot, I'm going to take these 2 ropes in the middle and I'm going to send them up through the little gap that we left, right between the 2 ropes here. So I just take them, send them through that gap, and pull it through. And then as I pull it through, you just want to tug on it to get a nice rounded shape for the berry knot. Then I'm going to secure the berry knot by tying 1 more square knot with the blue strings. Just like that. And now I'm just going to take my scissors and trim off the 2 ends that are sticking out. I can continue my pattern. So what I'm doing is I'm making a square knot underneath my new berry knot using the white ropes here. What I like about using this little method is that it outlines my berry knots off to the side. Let's do this one more time. And there we go. So what I like about this is that it adds fun variation to your projects. So you could do an alternating pattern. You could do rows like I did. You can use this in plant hangers, or you can even use this as layers in wall hanging. So you could connect it to your dowel rod to make a fun semicircle shape, or do two pieces and connect them as such. I'm going to show you one more method on how you can add these. It's just a very, very slight variation, but it's a little different, so let me show you that. Alright, so this next variation is where we are going to make it so there is no outline of our berry knots. So on this side you can see that I have a white rope outlining each berry knot, and on this one there is no white rope to outline. Also, another difference between these is going to be the size of your berry knots. So in this method, your berry knots are going to be much bigger than on this side. So let me show you exactly what it is I did. Once again, I bring in another rope, and this time when I take it behind, I'm going to go around all 4 ropes. And then I'm just going to tie my berry knot as I did before. All 4 ropes are going to go up through the gap up in the middle. Once again, I just really think this is a fun pattern and a great way to incorporate colors into all kinds of your macrame work, whether it's a keychain, a plant hanger, or a wall hanging, or any other creative way you can think of. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.